let my kids have at the National Geographic Magic Advent Calendar, and they had a lot of fun. We went through each day, and there were certainly some very clear winners. They loved the wand, super fun, definitely enjoyed all the different tricks, and we're spending a lot of time with the book on learning how to do the tricks the way the book taught it, and ways that they had learned through other sites. It has a lot of different science experiments, and they weren't as interested in the science experiments yet. I think this is because we are going through it all at once, so they were really going for the magic tricks. Now, there are so many different fun magic tricks in it. It has magic bricks, it has a lot of different coin tricks, it has hidden tricks, really, really fun stuff. It even has a variety of card tricks. Now, the box itself took a lot of damage as they were pulling it apart, but I do love that each of the doors, when you pop it out, comes out completely, and then the box itself can be used as storage afterwards, as it has little Velcro pieces to hold it closed. I'm really looking forward to doing all the science tricks, but there were just so many fun magic tricks that by the end, the kids got so distracted by the tricks that they were practicing that I just started opening up all the boxes to get through the rest of the calendar. It really has a lot of fun gadgets and tricks and science projects in it. It will keep your kids so entertained. My kids practiced magic tricks all afternoon, and we're excited to have guests come over that evening so they could show off some of their favorite tricks. They really, really like the coin tricks, and those puzzle boomerangs were surprisingly awesome. And I am confident that if we had opened this up one day at a time, the kids would have loved doing the science experiments too, and I can't wait to do those. There's so much in this box. It is truly a great family activity that will last much longer than the holiday season.